Good morning everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Microsoft adds Copilot key to Windows keyboard, MSI teases handheld gaming console at CES 2024, NASA's discovery of chaotic weather on exoplanet WASP-121b, iOS 17.3 Beta 2 breaks iPhones, Google Bard AI 2024 roadmap revealed, clicks $139 iPhone case with physical QWERTY keyboard, January 2024 Pixel update released, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Microsoft introduces the AI Copilot service with a dedicated Copilot key on the Windows keyboard. The Copilot key located to the right of the spacebar marks the first change to the Windows keyboard layout since 1994. Demonstrating Microsoft's commitment to artificial intelligence, the Copilot key will be featured on Windows 11 computers by hardware partners. The new shortcut facilitates users in creating images, writing emails, and summarizing text using AI assistants. Microsoft consumer CMO Yusuf Bhadi declares 2024 as the year of the AI PC, integrating AI seamlessly into Windows silicon and hardware. The Copilot key's unveiling takes place at the CES Technology Conference with a gradual transition to becoming a required feature. Microsoft leverages GPT-4 technology from OpenAI, reflecting investment of $13 billion in AI tech across various products. MSI teases its first handheld gaming console featuring a dragon-themed design set to be unveiled at CES 2024. Rumors suggest it might be powered by an Intel Meteor Lake CPU belonging to the Core Ultra series. Expected design similarities with Asus ROG Ally and Stamp Deck OLED running on Windows 11 for portable devices. NASA discovers chaotic weather on distant exoplanet WASP-121b orbiting close to a bright and hot star. Ultraviolet radiation from the star heat the planet's upper atmosphere, causing magnesium and iron gas to escape into space. Gravitational tidal forces alter the planet's shape, making it more oblong shaped. Researchers use computer modeling on years of Hubble telescope data to find evidence of massive cyclone on the planet. Apple suspends iOS 17.3 Beta 2 update after reports of bricked iPhone's surface. Users report issues related to the back tap gesture, with only those who disabled the feature experiencing problems. Apple acknowledges the problem, attributing it to preventing some devices from starting up. Affected users advised to enter recovery mode and roll back to the previous iOS version for a temporary fix. Boot loop issues linked to the back tap gesture raises concerns about the stability of iOS 17.3 Beta 2. Apple plans to release a more stable version of iOS 17.3 in the future to address reported problems. The incident highlights challenges in beta testing and the potential impact on user devices. Google Bard, the AI designed for support and service, reveals its 2024 roadmap. Feedback from users influences the roadmap to meet exceptions and demands. Jack Krausick, a prominent figure in Google's AI segment, shares the four main requests from the community. Users express expectations for improvements, and Google invites ongoing feedback for continuous enhancements. Google Bard focuses on aligning its roadmap with user need and aspirations in the field of artificial intelligence. The roadmap signals Google's commitment to advancing AI technology based on user input and preferences. Google remains open to further community input to shape the development and capabilities of Google Bard in 2024. Clicks, founded by YouTuber Michael Fisher and tech blogger Crackberry Kevin, introduces a $139 iPhone case with a physical QWERTY keyboard. Case connects to iPhones through the charging port, adding a physical keyboard and extra inches to the device. Available in bright yellow, bumblebee, or grey London sky, reminiscent of BlackBerry phones. Physical keyboard includes shortcuts like CMD plus H for home screen and CMD plus space for search. Set to debut at CES, pre-orders available on their website, with units expected to ship by 1 February. At last, Google rolls out the January 2024 update for Pixel phone, addressing security issues and bugs from the previous month's December feature drop. The update is punctual in contrast to the previous month, ensuring timely fixes and improvements for compatible Pixel devices. Pixel 5a, Pixel 6, 6 Pro, 6a, Pixel 7, 8 Pro, 7a, Pixel Tablet, Pixel Fold and Pixel 8, 8 Pro are among the devices receiving the January 2024 update. Both unlocked and Verizon logged smartphones globally and in the US are eligible for the update. The release targets improvement for the Pixel 6 Pro's overheating issue during phone call, enhancing user experience. Camera enhancement and fixes for major user interface issues are integral part of the update, focusing on user satisfaction. The update includes fixes for 10 vulnerabilities with a high severity rating, addressing potential security risk for the system. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.